Today we are going to be talking about multiplying and dividing decimals to the nearest hundreds place by using models and drawings to help us understand the relationship between multiplication and division. So we are going to look at page 263 to help us better understand this target. On page 263, we are reading about the food project, and we're going to be talking about better buys. So if you go to the grocery store and you're deciding between two different brands, you might try and pick out which one is a better buy. Maybe you're looking at granola bars, and one brand you can get 5 granola bars for one price, but another brand you can get 12 for a different price, and trying to determine which is actually a better buy. So I'm going to zoom in. And it says the Sellwood Community Center wants to donate hot dogs to the Southeast Portland Food Project, and they want to find the best deal. Question 1. At Food Mart, hot dogs can be purchased in packages of 8 for $2.40 or packages of 12 for $3. Which is a better buy? Explain how you know. So the first thing we need to do is highlight the important information in our story problem. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight that I can get 8 for $2.40 or I can get 12 for $3. And then we always highlight our question, which is a better buy, and explain how you know. I am going to go ahead and add another page to the bottom here so that we can actually use a ratio table to help us. So I'm going to set up a ratio table, and we're going to use hot dogs on the top, and the cost or money on the bottom. And we know that the first purchase, we can get 8 hot dogs for $2.40. Now, what I'm trying to figure out here is how much one hot dog would cost. So I'm going to set up my ratio table, and I'm going to get myself to one hot dog. So I'm going to think to myself, how can I easily get to one hot dog? So I know that 8 divided by 2 is 4. So remember, when we're using a ratio table, whatever you do to the top, you need to do to the bottom. So if we divide the top by 2, we need to divide the bottom by 2. So $2.40 divided by 2. I know that half of $2 is $1, and I know that half of 40 cents is 20 cents. So half of $2.40 is $1.20. I'm going to keep going. I know that half of 4, if I divide that by 2, I get 2 hot dogs. And now I need to divide $1.20 by 2. And I actually see the number 120 within that decimal. So $1.20, I'm kind of thinking about it like 120, and I know that half of 120 is 60. Therefore, half of $1.20 is 60 cents. Now, we're almost at 1 hot dog. I know if I divide 2 by 2, I get 1. If I divide this here by 2, half of 60 cents is 30 cents. So, in this buy, 1 hot dog costs 30 cents. Now, we're not done yet because it asks us which is a better buy. So we still have to figure out how much one hot dog in the other situation is. So again, I'm going to set up my ratio table. We have hot dogs. And we have the cost. And we know here that you can get 12 hot dogs for $3. And again, we're going to try and figure out the cost of 1 hot dog. So I know that half of 12 is 6, and I know that half of $3 is $1.50. I'm going to keep going until I get to 1 hot dog. Here I'm going to divide by 2 again. Half of 6 is 3. I know that half of $1 is 50 cents. And then I still have this 50-cent piece left, and half of 50 cents is 25 cents. So 50 cents plus 25 cents is 75 cents. Now I'm super close to 1 hot dog here. If I divide by 2, I'm not going to get 1 hot dog, but I know that 3 divided by 3 is 1. And now I'm going to divide the bottom by 3. Ooh, and this is actually super simple for me because I'm thinking about this as quarters. And I know that 3 quarters make up 75 cents. So therefore, 75 cents divided by 3 is 25 cents. So looking here, 1 hot dog costs 25 cents. Now I'm going to go back up and read the problem. So it says, at Food Mart, hot dogs can be purchased in packages of 8 for $2.40 or packages of 12 for $3. Which is a better buy? Explain how you know. So I know, looking at our ratio table, that 12 hot dogs for $3 is a better buy because 1 hot dog costs 25 cents. Where in the other situation where you get 8 hot dogs for $2.40, 1 hot dog costs 30 cents. So I'm going to write a package of 12 hot dogs for $3 is a better buy because 1 hot dog costs 25 cents. As you are working through the page, please use ratio tables to help you understand the relationship between multiplication and division. Thanks.